Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and network because authentication and connectivity are the usual culprits. Sign out and back in only if prompted. This resets tokens. Next, restart Wi-Fi and the router to clear transient issues and pause any VPN or proxy. Those alter traffic routes and break App Store connections. Also, make sure Mac time is set to automatic, since certificate checks rely on accurate clocks. Once done, move to verifying system-level services and certificates. Now you inspect system certificates and services because a revoked or untrusted cert can block the App Store. In Keychain Access, search for Apple-related certs and set them to always trust if they look valid. Then confirm Mac OS is fully updated. Updates include App Store fixes and certificate updates. If the store agent or store-related processes misbehave, reboot first. If that fails, quit them in Activity Monitor to force a fresh start. Once these steps are complete, proceed to cache resets and network resets. Finish by clearing caches and confirming the environment is clean, because stale cache or profile data often causes persistent failures. Delete the App Store cache folder in your user library and restart the Mac to rebuild files. Renew the DHCP lease, and if you have custom Wi-Fi profiles, remove and re-add the network so settings refresh. If the issue persists, boot into safe mode or create a temporary user to isolate the problem. If that doesn't help, contact Apple support. They can check account level or server issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.